Today we're going to make chicken noodle soup. Hello mi gente, it's me Vero and I'm back again with another simple recipe. Today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken noodle soup. Okay, what I have here is half an onion, 1 garlic, about 4 celery sticks, 4 carrots. I have the Knorr Chicken bullion, and then I have some oregano. I have basil. You can use those or you can just use this by itself because it has both ingredients combined. And this is the kind I use, and it makes it taste really good. And of course a little bit of pepper, our butter, and our noodles. And now let's go check on our chicken. I already started it. So I'm not gonna boil the chicken. I'm actually frying it, with a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna cook it for 20 minutes on each side. I think it gives it more flavor. But that's the way I do it. You can boil it, well, it means it's up to you. We're gonna cut it into small pieces for our chicken noodle soup, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's let this cook. And of course we have our chicken noodles, okay? This is the one I'm using. It's about 1 pound. You can use more if you like, but the juice kind of absorbs it and it thickens up. So I like to use 1 bag. All right, so let's wait for our chicken. We have everything cut up. Let's continue here. Okay, so I took my chicken out and now we're gonna cut it up. I'm doing these little bite-sized pieces. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so we're gonna finish cutting all of this up, and then we're gonna start cooking our vegetables. All right, let's do this. All right, so I'm preheating the pan here. I'm gonna put some butter. It's like a serving spoon. I don't measure my stuff. So we're gonna melt that. And then we're gonna add our onion, and then our garlic, our carrots, and then our celery. All right, so let's let this melt for a minute. Okay. All right, so ya se calentó la mantequilla. The butter has melted. We're gonna add our onions now, okay? There's our onion. Ya le echamos la cebolla. We're gonna saute it for a minute or 2. And then we're gonna add the garlic. So vamos a dejarla cocinar por 1 minuto o 2. Y luego ya vamos a agregar el ajo. Alright, ya le echamos el ajo, aquí está. No sé si se ve, I'm sorry. We already added our garlic. I'm going to let it cook for another minute or 2. And now we're going to incorporate the carrots and the celery. Vamos a echarle las zanahorias y el, no sé cómo se dice, el celery, no sé. Anyway, aquí está. So we're gonna add this. There we go. Sorry, I'm just using 1 hand. No estoy usando una mano. Esto no sé cómo se llama en español. Si de acuerdo del nombre les voy a decir. Okay, so vamos a cocinar esto unos 5 minutos. We're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and incorporate our spices. So let me go grab them. All right. So I'm going to add our pepper a little bit. We're going to add some basil. Like I said, you don't have to, but it's up to you what you want to add. This is oregano. And then this Goya that I told you guys, that gives it a lot of flavor. Sorry about that. We're going to go ahead and add that. A fair amount of that one. Pretty good. So let's go ahead and let this finish cooking. I got like 3 more minutes. Then we're going to add the chicken. Alright, 5 minutes, we're going to add our chicken. It smells so nice in here. Go ahead and mix that around. And then we're going to add a cup of water, plus more. Okay, let me move this around. I have 2 cups that I'm going to add right here. And I'm going to go get some more. So you can add as much broth as you want, okay? Pues échale todo el caldito que tú quieras. That's what mine looks like, okay? So now we're gonna incorporate our Knorr pollo thing here. I have the big one. So I'm gonna add this whole thing to it, okay? And you can add a little bit at a time. You know, I kind of already know how much I need. So mix that around. And now we're gonna let it cook for 5 minutes or until it boils. We're gonna let it boil. And then we're gonna taste it. And then we're gonna incorporate our noodles, okay? So let this cook. Go ahead and taste it though, because you know, I don't know if you like it salty. If you don't like it salty, it's up to you. You can add more of the seasons or whatever you want to take off. Whatever you don't like, don't add it. It's how you want to cook, how you know you want to make it taste good. All right, let's continue here. All right, so it's already boiling. Ya empezó a hervir. The carrots are soft, okay, and the celery is cooked. And now we're gonna add our noodles. So vamos a echarle las sopitas estas. So let's grab that. So after it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna check on our noodles. Put it over here. Está caliente. Okay. We're gonna give it another 5 minutes because they're still a little hard. Okay. So I'll be back. All right. In about, let's just say 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it. Okay, it's ready. See, the carrots are soft too. You see that? All right, let's go ahead and serve. And there you go, mi gente, chicken noodle soup. I made it kind of fast, but hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Hit like, subscribe, let your friends know. Hope you guys enjoy it. Love ya.